I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You open Yuzu and jump straight to controls. Make sure you have a working keyboard. Once there, set device to keyboard and create a named profile so you don't overwrite defaults. Now assign buttons by selecting an action and pressing the key you want. Do start and select first to avoid being stuck. Make sure to save the profile before closing the dialog. If you want consistency, note which profile is active for each game so you can swap quickly. Once the basic buttons work, configure analog behavior and modifiers for precision. You can map left stick to WASD or use mouse movement for camera, then tweak sensitivity and dead zone so small jitters don't move the view. For extra buttons, assign Shift or Control as modifiers to double available inputs. This is helpful for complex control schemes. Enable Turbo on repetitive actions if needed. Make per-game profiles so you can fine-tune settings per title, and switch profiles before launching a game. Once done, test in an actual scene to validate inputs and timing. Make small adjustments to sensitivity if movement feels off. Save your final profile and export it or back up the Yuzu config so you can restore settings quickly. If things go wrong, try a single effective fix. Ensure Yuzu has keyboard focus, and if needed, run Yuzu as administrator. Also check for overlays or background apps that capture keys, and disable conflicting drivers to restore normal keyboard control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.